Company settings stores your business profile, name, phone, email, website, address, tax number, and default POS tax rate. Choose from 20 currencies and 14 languages, USD, BDT, Euro, Arabic, Bangla, and more, then save for this browser. Tax configuration lets you add named rates like standard VAT, set the percentage, and toggle active or inactive. SMS and WhatsApp connects Twilio, account SID, auth token, SMS and WhatsApp from numbers, plus a test send. API keys authenticate external apps, name your key, pick scopes like sales and products, then generate and copy once. Webhooks push real-time events, sale created, stock adjusted, production completed, to your endpoint URL. Developer docs show authentication headers, webhook signature verification, and the OpenAPI schema path. Activity log tracks every change, filter by action, entity, date range, and expand rows for full audit details. User management adds staff with email, phone, role, and password, edit profiles or deactivate accounts anytime. Roles and permissions control access, create custom roles, toggle module permissions, and assign to users. Sidebar menu customizes navigation, show or hide whole sections and individual links, stored in this browser.